I'm going to do the unboxing of our latest product, which is the vapor shower spray. So it's a 2-pack, so you can expect 2 vapor showers. It comes in a beautiful box, and when you open it, you get a free gift. It's a small company, and we always want to give you the baker's dozen. So the free gift, I'll talk about it in a second. Plus, you get the vapor shower spray. So what vapor shower spray is, it's a simple spray, somewhat like this, and you just spray this spray. It's basically eucalyptus oil with grain alcohol, and once you're ready to take a shower, go get into a shower, turn on your faucet, let the steam kind of rise up, and then take your spray and put it on the walls of the shower. So the volatile oil, the eucalyptus volatile oil, is mixed with grain alcohol, so the grain alcohol helps its spreadability. The volatile oil will mix with steam and it will turn your shower. Even if you are living in a small apartment in Manhattan, it would turn your shower into a spa. You'll feel like you're sitting in a really luxury 5-star spa, and that's what we want you to have. That experience for literally $14.99. You get 2 of them, which would last you 150 showers. That's pretty much half a year worth of shower, unless you take 2 a day. And what it does for me is, whenever I feel congested or when I'm tired, I come in, I spray it on the wall, I take a warm shower, the steam kind of gets in all my body, into my lungs, and I really feel that I can breathe a lot better. And when I come out of the shower, I feel very energized. And secondly, talking about the freebie that comes with it, is a peppermint roll-on. Whenever I get a headache or something, I actually use this roll-on onto my forehead, and I feel quite a bit of relief almost immediately.